What's up, YouTube? Big Boy Lance here, and today, as you can see, I am wearing my Spidey costume. Look at how my battles are. And today, guys, we're going to have a triple unboxing of sneakers. Wow! And this is part 2 of our massive unboxing. Wow! But before we start this video, I would like to say hi to Ate Ami Mongaya, to Gabriel, and to Ate Jessa May Morcillo. So let's go! Taco Town! Alright, so we have here 3 sneakers. So the 2 of these sneakers was bought from Seoul Mini, and the other one was bought from Singapore. So first, let's start with the letter A, Adidas. Wow! This bag is cool. They got a Seoul Mini bag. Cool freebies. See? I'm gonna use it for school. And they have free stickers. And this is the Adidas NMD R1. This is actually my first Boost sneaker. This was bought. My uncle bought me 3 sneakers for my 7th birthday. Thank you, Tito Bibit. So let's take a look at the shoe. The upper is made of knitted material with a 3 stripes overlay at the lateral sides. As you can see here, it's got TPU plugs at the midsole for stability and support. And at the back, it has a heel counter with an embossed Adidas logo and a pull tab with the Adidas wording. I really like this sneaker because it looks really cool and it would fit well with anything. This was bought for only 2,750 pesos plus 200 pesos shipping. Now, that's a great price considering that the original price is 5,500 pesos. Alright, on to the next box. Wow, nice. It's cool. So this is called the Adidas POD. Ganda nito, guys. Simple lang pero ampor. This was bought as well from Seoul Mini for only 2,650 pesos plus 200 shipping. Ang cute nito ng dalawa na to, guys. Palagi ko sila isusuot. The upper is made of a breathable mesh. The most notable part of this sneaker is the midsole. As you can see, the forefoot is made of EVA foam and the heel part is made of Boost. And at the middle connecting the 2 midsoles is the torsion bar made of plastic. I can't believe that I have now 2 Boost sneakers. Wow! I am excited to wear these 2 a lot. So now we're at the last box. Wow! Guys, so this is called the New Balance 997H. This is the one I bought from Singapore. This is actually the second pair. So this is the first one. Color red. I really love the 997H, especially the colors dark blue, gray, white, and yellow green. So now let's take a look at a closer. The upper is a combination of mesh, nubuck, suede, and synthetic leather, and it has a strap because it's for kids. And at the top, it has the 997 branding in bold letters. Here is the on-fit look. Alright guys, that's it for today's triple unboxing. Stay tuned for more guys because mag-unbox pa po kami ng 3 sneakers for the triple unboxing. Thank you for watching and please leave us a like and subscribe to my channel and mag-subscribe naman kayo and click the notification button for Sir Glenn Sumang and for Sir DJ Big Boy Cheng, ang ating Sancho Papa. Peace and God bless. Bye-bye!